Traders, hello, namaste, namaskara. Welcome to your YouTube channel, Stock Market Teacher. And this channel is specially made for you traders. If you are a beginner in the market or if you have already been in the market, this channel is dedicated to you to understand how the price action moves on Nifty and Bank Nifty. And this price action understanding is not only to be applied on the indexes, but the way that I explain you all, help you understand how the price action works. It can be applied on any instrument that you are interested to trade. That is, you want to trade oil, you want to trade the stocks, you can apply this price action understanding. All right. So, guys, I hope you guys had a good Ugadi, okay, and you've been doing well in trading. And the videos that I am making through this channel and the experience that I have since 2008 that I'm sharing with you guys, the 16 years of experience. I hope this experience and videos that I'm making is helping you out to understand how the price action works, and if it is contributing to your knowledge or if it is contributing to understanding the price action even in a small way, it would be a big gesture from your end. Okay, if you have not subscribed to your channel Stock Market Teacher, I request you all to please go and subscribe to Stock Market Teacher. All right, and hit on the bell notification so that whenever I upload a video, you are immediately notified. Okay, and tell YouTube that you like the content that I'm sharing in the video by giving a thumbs up, and also comment in the comment section if you like the videos and if you like to hear anything else that you want to see in my videos. All right, guys. So let's understand what happened in the market. I try my best to consistently update the video on a daily basis to help you understand how the price action worked out on Nifty and Bank Nifty, so that on the trading day, so that you can use that information. Okay, how I analyze it, and that analysis can be useful to you. Okay, for your trading as well. All right, and how the price action works. Right. So what are we going to learn in through this channel and through my videos is how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty index to take trades for the next trading day. That's the first thing you're going to learn. Second thing that you're going to learn through this videos and through this channel is at what level I'm looking to take a long or a short trade, and where will I take my stop loss. And thirdly, in which strike price I'll be doing option buying. So I prefer mainly to do option buying. I also explain which strike price I like to do the option buying. And lastly, what we are going to look at is, did I take any trade today and did I make any profit or loss today, and the logic behind the trade. So what I request you all is, please watch the video till the end. Do not just keep skipping. Okay, there's tons of information that I'm sharing with you. So please do watch the videos till the end. All right, so let's begin and understand the levels. Before we do that, we'll see what happened in today's market. So now this is the first candle on a 15-minute time frame. This is the first candle on a 15-minute time frame. So we are going to look at, see, this is the first candle, the big red candle that you see here. There was a big selling at the start of the session itself. Okay, so that's the first candle here that you are looking at on Nifty. And what did Nifty do? Nifty came down, took a support around this particular level. Okay, so it took a support around this particular level of 17,000. Okay, it took a bounce back up to the same level from where it came down at the morning. Okay, so it was a sideways market, and then you see here this level was taken out. Okay, who took out this level? It was the bears. So the bears showed that they're powerful, that okay, the sellers were more powerful. So now back, if I look at the price action, if I look at the Nifty, okay, it is breaking the supports, it's breaking the supports, it's breaking the supports, it's breaking the supports. So does this look bullish to you? No, it's not bullish. The price action is self is telling you that bulls are not stronger. If the bulls are were stronger, they would have protected these particular zones, right? Would have protected these particular zones. The bulls are not stronger. So looking the price action, okay, looking at the price action, I'm pretty bearish on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I expect that market to actually in this coming series, okay, maybe end up by the end of this month, I expect Nifty to go down to around 16,850 levels. Okay, that's the first target that I'm looking at. I expect the Nifty to go down to 16,850 and stabilize around this particular zone. Okay, so I'm expecting to stabilize if there is any kind of stabilization that is going to happen. Okay, so I expect the price to around 16,840 to 16,850. I'm expecting the price to go down because the market is looking pretty bearish. So right now we are trading at near 16,930 level. So we have some more price move to happen. If there is a stabilization that has to come, it might come around this particular zone. If this zone doesn't hold, that means if the price goes below this particular zone, then we are going to look at the market making bigger lows. Okay, we are going to look at market making bigger lows. If the 16,840 to 16,850 level zone holded, then we are going to see the market making bigger lows from that particular lows from that particular zone. All right, so this is what is I'm looking at from the perspective of the price action that has happened so far. Right, so let's look at the levels. What are we looking at? Okay, now if you see here, I start by analyzing the Nifty and the Bank Nifty by marking the high and the low. So the high on Nifty today was 17,109, so I'll mark that level with a red dash line. Okay, so that will be a red dash line, so that's your Nifty high in today's session. Okay, so that's the Nifty high in today's session. And what was the Nifty low in today's session? The Nifty low in today's session was 16,917 level. So that mark that level with a blue dotted line. Okay, so that will be marked with a blue dotted line. So that's your Nifty low. All right. So now, as I am looking at the Nifty and I am seeing that the price is pretty bearish, I am not comfortable taking any long trade. So I'll be more preferably I am looking to take a short trade going forward until 18,840 to until 18,850. So let's wait and see how the price action is going to work. And I might change my move because I'm a trader based on price action. Suddenly I might take a bullish position, but presently I am looking at the bearishness. So where I might take a short position. So let's look at the price action. Now the resistance and support levels where it might face. Now you see here, if you see this price action, okay, if you see this price action, the price came down today to this level of 17,000, bounced back up, came back down, bounced back up, and then it crashed. So what I'm looking at here is this particular level of 17,000. Okay, 17,000 to 17,000 15 levels. Okay, 17,000 to 17,015 level. I'm expecting it to be a case of resistance. Okay, this level which was earlier acting as a support level. Now you see here the price took support first time in today's session, second time in today's session, then it basically broke down. So a support once broken down, it tends to act as a resistance moving forward. So 17,000 is broken comfortably. Okay, see the break happened, the price tried to pierce back up, but it failed and the price came down. So this is looking a very bearish case for Nifty. Okay, so I expect the crash to come in the Nifty until 16,840 to 16,850 levels. Okay, so this is the bearishness that I'm looking at. Now where it could find support. Okay, now if you see, if you go back a little bit into this particular zone here, the price after making a big down move, okay, the price after making a down move, it around this particular level, okay, this particular level, it took a support. Okay, and there was strong buying and it pushed the buying all the way to 17,200 levels. Okay, around this particular. So I expect this level, you know, to be intact. Okay, to be intact till 16,840 to 16,850 levels is reached. Okay, so this is a very important zone for the bulls. Okay, if you're bullish in the market, this is a very important zone. So which level are we looking at? 16,840 to 16,840 to 16,850 levels. Okay, if this level does not hold, then we will see bigger down moves in the market. So we might see market going much more lower. So until then, we are going to wait and see if this bulls are going to come back like they did here. Okay, on 20th March, they are going to push it, or they are going to just give it up to the bears. All right, so this level is pretty important, 16,840 to 16,850. So it looks likely that the market is going to look for this particular zone in the coming days. All right, so looking at the price action, I am pretty bearish. So this is the zone that I'm looking at on the Nifty levels. So these are your resistance. So this is clearly a resistance zone for the today's high, and 17,090 to 17,150, 17,110 level is going to be another resistance zone, and this level is the day's low. So we'll have to wait and watch what's going to happen in the Monday session. So this is what we are looking at. So this is your main support zone. If this main support does not hold, it's going to come crashing down further. All right, so this is the level we are looking at. So now what I'm looking at is this 17,000, 17,000 to 17,010 level as your resistance level. I'm looking at Nifty, okay, and this 17,090 to 17,110 level as your resistance, and I'm looking for only on the short side, remember, because the market looks on the bigger side. Okay, it is looking on the short side. If this level does not hold, say suppose Monday the price opens flat, okay, and it goes above this particular zone, this is the zone I'm going to look at resistance. If the market opens flat and spends some time, then it breaks down, then I'm going to look at this particular zone, okay, to act as a resistance. Okay, so this is what I'm looking at. So this is your Nifty levels for Monday. What are we going to look at in the Bank Nifty? Okay, so for Bank Nifty, let's see what it is looking like. Okay, so what are we looking in the Bank Nifty point of view? We will mark the high and the low for Bank Nifty. Okay, so high, okay, let's mark the low first. So low on Bank Nifty was around this particular zone. What was that particular low on Bank Nifty? That particular low today, it was 39,295 levels. And what was the high on Bank Nifty? The high on Bank Nifty was around this is the dashed line, this red color dashed line was the high on Bank Nifty. Okay, so this is what you are looking at. The high on Bank Nifty was 39,824 level. So now as you see here, okay, there's nothing much bullishness to the chart. If you look at the supports are broken, the support are broken. Okay, the supports are broken. So does it look bullish to you? No. So what I am looking at, I am looking at a clear case of bearishness on the Bank Nifty as well. So the trade that I am going to prefer, okay, I am going to prefer on Bank Nifty is on the bearish side. That is, I'm going to look at the short trade. I'm going to look at the short trade. So once I mark my high and the low, I'm going to look at where is the resistance and where is the support it might come in. All right, so if you see, the Bank Nifty broke this particular support. Okay, as the market opened, it opened and it just crashed. So this support was broken. Okay, so this support was broken on Bank Nifty. So now this case will be a case of resistance. This zone will be a zone of resistance. So 39,750 to 39,000 770 levels. So 39,750 to 39,770 levels will be a zone of resistance for Bank Nifty. And what is the other resistance here? The other resistance, if you see here, the price came down. Okay, the price came down to this particular zone here. It took a support, bounced up, took a support 39,500, which was a psychological level, and that has been broken. So this is a real case of bearishness for Bank Nifty, and the price bounced up. Okay, so this level 39,480 to 39,500 level will be the bearish zone. That is the resistance zone for Bank Nifty. Okay, 39,480, 39,480 to 39,500. Okay, so this is a real case of bearishness for Bank Nifty, 39,480 to 39,500 level. Okay, so this is your zone of resistance for Bank Nifty. Okay, now where the Nifty might stabilize around 16,840 to 16,850 levels. Okay, I am looking the Bank Nifty to stabilize around this another psychological mark of 39,000. Okay, so around 38,980 to 38,980 to 39,000 level, I am expecting a good support zone on Bank Nifty. So we'll have to wait and watch. Okay, looking at the price action, these levels may not hold. We will be pretty soon seeing maybe within this series of expiry, we will be seeing the Bank Nifty to come to this particular zone. Whether it will happen at the fast move, or whether it's going to trap all the bulls and then it's going to make it down, we'll have to wait and watch. But I'm not going to look for any bullish trade. Okay, I'm not going to look for any bullish trade to presently. Now, why this zone is very important? Now, if you see here, okay, this zone, all right, if you see here, the price came down and made a big move higher. The price came down and it went up all the way to 40,200 levels. Okay, we'll have to wait and watch whether this is going to act as a support. Bulls are going to come back, or they're going to just let it go, and the bears will be having a great party in the market. So these are the zones that I'm looking out for on the Bank Nifty. So what are the resistance zones that I'm looking at? 39,700 and 50 levels to 39,770 levels, 39,480 levels to 39,500 levels, and this level, okay, might act as support. But if in case the price doesn't, the price opens flat and it breaks down, then this will be acting as a resistance zone. Okay, and this is your strong support zone. 38,980 to 39,000 is your strong support zone on Bank Nifty. All right, so these are the levels that I have marked. This is how I identify levels on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what level I am looking to take a long or a short trend? Where will I take my stop loss? Since I'm bullish, since I'm bearish, I'm going to only look at the short trade. So what levels I might look? So I'm going to discuss the scenarios now. Now, say for example, okay, then now let's go to Nifty first. Okay, let's go to Nifty. Now the price is trading around this particular zone of 16,930. Say for example, there's a gap up. Okay, there's a gap up to this particular zone of 16,980 to 17,000 level, and there is any sell. See, basically, if I have to take a short, this price action has to confirm to me. So I will be looking at a candlestick, the price action formation, and then if there is a gap up to this, then I'm going to look at a short trade around this particular zone. Okay, this particular zone, and this will be my stop loss. So if there is a good risk to reward ratio, then I take a stop this particular trade. If there is a gap up and suddenly there is a crash to this particular zone, then I'm not going to look at taking any short trade. Okay, because the risk to reward is not in my favor. All right, so if say the market opens flat, okay, and it goes up to this level, and then I see any kind of selling, then I'm going to short. Then in this case, that I'm going to short and place my stop loss above this particular level. Right? Say the market opens, gap down to this particular zone. Okay, if it opens gap down to a particular zone and it comes back up to this level here. Now this was a low. The low acts as a day's low acts as support. So now I'm going to look at a short trade around this particular zone now. What particular zone? 16,900 to 16,910 levels. I'm going to look at short, and above that will be my stop loss. So all these are based on the resistance zones and the risk to reward ratio. If there is a good risk to reward ratio, then I'm going to take a trade. So this is how I plan my trades. Okay, so since I'm bearish, I'm going to look at only the bearish case scenarios. So this is how I take a short trade, and where I'll place my stop loss. In which strike price I'll be doing option buying, since I'm an option buyer. Okay, so which strike price I will doing. Since I showed you on Nifty, I'll show you in Bank Nifty how I select the strike price. All right. Say for example, there is market opens flat on Monday. It goes to this particular zone, okay, of 39,500. Okay, 39,500. Then I see a kind of selling here. There's a good risk to reward trade to be taken. So 39,500 is the level the price is now trading at, and I see a selling coming in. So what I'm going to look at, which strike price. Now since today is the first day, the Friday. So today is the Friday, the first start of. So it's a monthly expiry as well. So today, so Monday. Okay, so Monday we are looking to take a trade. Now the theta decay is not that faster. Okay, on Friday, Monday, on Tuesday, the theta picks up. Okay, the price of option price, okay, decaying picks up on Wednesdays and Thursdays on Nifty and Bank Nifty. So what are we looking at? I'm going to look at slightly out of the money option. So if 39,000 is trading at 39,500, I'm going to take a strike price of 39,400 level. Okay, I'm going to take a strike price of 39,400 level. Okay, PE, because I'm going to I'm looking at taking a short trade, 39,400 PE. So I expect the price to come down. Okay, so 39,400, slightly out of the money option, I'm going to look at as buying. So this is how I select my strike price. Lastly, what are we going to discuss? So lastly, what are we going to look at is, did I take any trade today and did I make any profit or loss today, and the logic behind the trade. So let's go to my position book, and this is my position book. If you see here, okay, this is my position book. You don't have any position. So today I did not take a trade, okay, in the market. The reason being, if you go to the chart, the reason being, okay, if you see here, the price was, I was looking, once this particular support was broken, I was looking to take a short trade here. There was a good risk to reward as well, okay, because support once broken, it tends to act as a resistance. There was a good risk to reward as well, okay, but once the price came down to this particular zone, I had to do something urgent work, which I had to get a little bit busier with my kids. So I had to let go this trade. Okay, I was not in front of the system. So, anyways, the trade was missed, but I did not take any trade today. That's my position book for today. Okay, see now I'm not, I did not take a trade. It was good to risk to reward ratio because the markets are going to be open on Monday and many more years to come, as I keep saying. All right. So this is what, guys. I hope this analysis is of use to you. Okay, and I have added some value, and I am passing on the knowledge and the experience that I've gained from the market. All right. So please do subscribe to your channel, Stock Market Teacher. Okay, like the videos, tell the video you like, tell the YouTube that you like the videos by clicking on the like button. Okay, so like, just like the button. All right, and click on the like button, hit on the bell notification, and comment and give me an update what you like to hear next, and how the videos are coming for you, or how videos are helping you out, right? I hope you guys have a good trading day on Monday and have a nice weekend. Thank you.